how to auto fill date in Excel. In this Excel data sheet, I have a column which is labeled as date, and I inserted 1st of February 2025. And if I want to auto fill date in that column per year or per day or per weeks, then the way to do that is to go into the function editing and then click on the fill here and then select series, and then in this small window click on series in a column, so as we need to put the dates in the column format. For the type it is date. For the date unit you could choose from day to weekly to month to years. So let's start by clicking on year. So type here the stop values, let's say the 1st of February 2030, and if I click on OK, autofill for the date is done by Excel. The date is autofilled per year, and the month and the day is fixed as 1st of February. If I go back again and undo this, and then back again into edit series column, and then choose weekly. To choose for weekly, I'm going to change the first of all the date into the 3rd of February, as 3rd of February is Monday. So if I select 3rd of February and then series, and then the window here, click on columns and select weekdays. So we are here looking at weekdays, and let's put the date is 3rd, let's see, 3rd of June 2025. And if I click on OK, as shown here in the auto filled column, dates are inserted from Monday to Friday, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th, and then 10th jump into the 10th, which is skipping the weekend, and then 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then skipping 15 and 16. So this is the way to do weekdays. If I undo that again and back again to the series column and then go for months, and let's select 3rd of October 2025, and then click on OK. Again, dates are auto filled per month, February, March, April, May, June, July until October, and the day is fixed. To do the daily auto fill, click on the fill again, select the column here, select the day, let's put the 3rd of May 2025 and select OK. An auto fill is performed for the date column, and the date is filled from the 3rd until the May 3rd. So this is the way to quickly and easily auto fill dates based on daily or week days or monthly or years. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, leave any comment in the indicated box, and activate the notification bell to receive the recent and latest release into the channel of several different video clip, and click on the like icon and share the video link with others, so the channel can expand and improve to include a large scope of different statistical method and how to analyze data using several different statistical packages such as SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovie, R Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, GPower, Python, and RevMan. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovie, R Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.